Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a powerful, all-in-one solution for clean energy at home or for small commercial use, the 8.8 kilowatts hybrid solar system complete kit. This kit is designed to maximize solar power efficiency while providing reliable backup, combining high-capacity batteries, premium solar panels, and a hybrid inverter. At the heart of the system is an 8 kW solar hybrid inverter, capable of handling grid-tied and off-grid setups. It's perfect for homes, workshops, or small businesses looking to reduce electricity bills and maintain energy independence. The inverter supports both 120V and 240V AC output, making it compatible with most household appliances. Power storage comes from a 48V410Ah LiFePO4 battery with 21 kWh capacity, which is highly durable, long-lasting, and safer than traditional lead-acid batteries. LiFePO4 technology ensures hundreds of charge-discharge cycles, deep discharges, and stable performance even in extreme temperatures. The kit includes 16 high-efficiency 550W bifacial solar panels, designed to capture sunlight from both sides, boosting total energy yield. These panels work seamlessly with the MPPT controller, which optimizes charging by tracking the panel's maximum power point, ensuring you extract the most energy possible at all times. Installation is simplified with all components included: inverter, batteries, panels, and MPPT controller. Whether you're planning a new solar setup or upgrading your current system, this kit provides a complete, ready-to-go solution for reliable hybrid solar energy. With this system, you can enjoy reduced electricity bills, backup power during outages, and a more sustainable lifestyle. Perfect for eco-conscious homeowners or anyone looking to invest in energy independence. If you're ready to harness solar power efficiently and safely, check the link in the description to grab the 8.8 kilowatts hybrid solar system complete kit today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech and energy solutions reviews. Thanks for watching.